Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Man, we got an exciting car. Just look at it. Black with the white stripes, red interior. I don't think I could dream up a better combination than that. It is hot looking. And guess what? There's a 454 under that hood, and there's a 4-speed sticking up out of the floor in there. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and get the price on this 1970 Chevelle. And not only this one, we do have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this hot-looking 70 Chevelle. It's an Atlanta-built car. I bought it down south, so it's a southern car. Appears to be nice, clean metal. Underside the car is exceptionally nice. I don't know if it was actually off the frame, but a lot of new stuff, a lot of shiny parts underneath. Looks like the front end was rebuilt. It's got polyurethane bushings, new ball joints, a bunch of new parts up there. In back, it's upgraded with tubular control arms, the uppers and lowers. It's got a new Flowmaster exhaust system, new fuel system, including the tank and sending unit and the straps. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh looking. It's got a Muncie 4-speed that looks fresh, a 12-bolt rear end in the back. Brake system looks like it's been redone. The emergency brake cables are new. It's disc in front, the calipers and backing plates, all the components look new. So yeah, underneath the car is real nice. The floors are nice, clean metal floors, inner quarters, inner rockers, all that. It's just clean metal, painted up nicely. The body's slick. You're down like this, you can shave in the reflection. It's just like a mirror. It's straight, it fits nicely, it's smooth everywhere. There's no bubbles down here. This is just slick. Clean metal, really nice. It does have a cowl induction hood. Got the actual flapper door and the racing pins. Again, it's straight, no vinyl top, obviously. It's got a new windshield. The pins are new, the bumper's new, the emblems, headlight bezels, the grills, pretty much everything up here, the lenses, it all looks new. New emblems on the side. The wheels look like they're painted nicely. The trim and the caps look like they're pretty new. Tires are actually brand new, so as the nubs on the tread. Door handles are new. The stainless trim is new. The window seals, the weather strips are new. Jambs painted real nicely. New sill plates. Original rear glass. It's got some scuffs on it. So not crystal clear, but not bad. Rear bumper, tail lights, the SS pad, cowbell tips, all that stuff looks new. Just a clean, solid metal trunk, spatter painted. This is painted real slick. The jambs painted slick. Has new decals, new weather strip, new trunk mat. This red interior just pops. I love it against the black. So I sat in the seats. You can tell they're new cushions, all new upholstery, new headrests, new chrome trim. Down on the floor, it's new red carpet and all the red seat belts, even the shoulder belts. The center console is brand new, Hurst shifter. You're looking at a beautiful dash with the SS gauges, the tachometer, the instrument panels replaced, so all the chrome bezels look new. New deluxe steering wheel. Has an original AM radio in the dash. Under the hood is a 454. This car has even a little more potential. It's a factory air-conditioned car. It's not all hooked up, but it has the controls inside, has the unit on the firewall. They did buy a nice polished, looks like a Vintage Air mini AC compressor that's on here, and it has a condenser up front. So your you got a good start to an air-conditioned system here. If someone wants to put working air, probably wouldn't take much more to finish that. The headliner and visors are nice. The dome light works. Door panels are all new. The bases have been repainted, but the dash pads are new. This is not a 10, a perfect car, but it's a really nice car. When I say not a 10, like I said, the bases have been repainted. There's a couple little nicks here. That's just buffing compound. In the engine compartment, it does have the cowl induction, but it's not complete. There's a little vacuum reservoir up there, but there's no vacuum line going to it. There's no windshield squirters, so minor stuff like that. But it has a new cadmium-plated brake booster, the master, all this junction block with the lines, that's all new. The front of the motor has aluminum timing cover, an aluminum water pump. It's got a serpentine belt and pulley system. It's got the March billet power steering with braided hoses in the remote reservoir here. It's got a set of coated hooker headers, polished aluminum intake. It's got a Holly under there. It looks like it's chrome plated. It's got a billet distributor that looks new. What else has it got going on in here? So this, again, very nice. This isn't a 10, but this is really nice under here. A few little things to be finished off if you wanted to. Edelbrock fuel pump. Got an electric fan. It's got the stock shroud with a big electric fan in there. Let me fire it up for you. You'll hear how it sounds. Runs real well. Man, nothing beats that sound. No electric car's ever gonna sound like that. Sounds like it has a gear drive instead of a timing chain. Got a healthy cam. Yeah, it's got a healthy motor. I noticed it's got the hump on the head, so it's the big port heads. That's got a healthy cam in there, the nice headers. This thing wants to giddy up and go. So you got amazing colors. You got a beautifully restored car. Amazing the way it is. If you want to just bring it up another notch, get working air, and finish a few little things, the car would be outstanding. For some reason now, this door latch stuck on me. Oh, now it works. We'll look at that. Probably needs to be oiled up or something. Anyway, visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can also help with the financing, delivery, and paperwork. They can make it all easy. So go to volocars.com if you're interested in this car. If you just enjoy watching the videos, that's great. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. So thanks for watching.